In a minute, you can create videos without using Google Flow or Grok, 100% free. If you want to make videos for YouTube Shorts or social media using AI, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create step by step. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I already created one videos from Dyson AI. So let's play this video in a full screen. And this is a completely free method without adding any payment detail or anything. Here you can see 280 credit remaining. So let's create new account. For the account creation, you don't need Gmail or Outlook. You can also use Temple email or disposable email. So just use any Temple website. Then click on this profile icon. Here you can see sign up for free. Click on this, paste here your email address, then click on this send code. After click on send code, go to your email address and copy the verification code. Then just paste here your verification code, then click on this continue with email. Now you need to create a password. So create a strong password. Then click on this reset password button. Here you can see successfully logged in, successfully registered and logged in. So now just close this. We don't want to upgrade our account. Here you can see we have successfully logged in our account. Now go to ChatGPT. Here you can see I already created few video generation prompt. So just copy your video generation prompt. After the login, you need to paste your video generation prompt. So now click on this auto what type of frame you want to, 9:16 or 16:9, 3:4, 4:3, 2:3, 3:2, 1:1 or 21:9. So let's create 16:9 for our YouTube videos. Then simply click on this start button. After click on send, here you can see current channel has 141 tasks. So we need to wait few minutes. So let's try another tool for free video generation from Google Space. Here you can see I will give this link in this video description. Just click on this sign in to Vids. By this tool you will get VOE in a completely free. Here you can see you can select landscape or portrait. Click on this VOE 3.1 new. Then here you need to paste here your video generation prompt. Go to ChatGPT, copy any video generation prompt or according to your script and YouTube videos title. Then click on this generate button. Here you can see 19-20% completed. So let's wait. And the videos from Dyson AI is also generating. Here you can see our video is generated by Google VOE 3.0. Now click on this insert button. Here you can see simply play the video. Here you can see ultra 4K HD. Now you just need to, you can also create another scene. Here you can see plus icon. Just click on this plus icon and paste it your video generation prompt and click on generate and insert. So let's export one videos. Let's delete this dummy scene. Now you can simply click on this share button, and here you can see copy link, export to drive, export to YouTube, download mp4. So we need to download this video. Click on download mp4. Our video is downloaded. Now let's play in a, here you can see videos which is generated by 𝐕𝐲𝐸. You can remove this logo from tool. I will also show you how to remove the logo. So simply visit this website, choose file. Now you need to manual select logo area. Simply click on this apply button. Now click on this export, click on export and click on this save button. Here you can see our video is downloaded without a logo. Let's play this video. Here you can see there is no any watermark of 𝐕𝐲𝐸. Now let's check Dyson.ai video. Here you can see from this tool also our video is generated. Now let's play this in full screen. Here you can see a female worker working in an office. You can also remove this logo from same tool. By this way you can create long videos also in a completely free. Just you need to video generation prompt for every scene. And if you are interested to generate unlimited bulk image, so please visit my YouTube channel. I had already created a video about how to get Leonardo AI Premium free for 1 month. Here you can see our videos, so please watch that video. Or either you can also create image by Google Gemini or ChatGPT. Either I will suggest you to create image by Leonardo AI. So please watch this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐕𝐲𝐸 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.